let's look at conditional operators. So first off, remember Booleans can hold true or false values. This means we can use it to determine the true or false value of any sort of comparison, such as less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, that sort of thing. Now, we can compare multiple true or false values using conditional operators. And the two conditional operators we have here are and or. So what it looks like is you have this condition and another condition. Both must be true for the whole thing to be true. That's with an and. With an or, so here you've got condition or condition. For this to be true, either of them can be true. So for it to be false, both of them have to be false. So let's create some random numbers. So x, y, and z. Here we're creating int math.random times 10. So this creates random numbers 0 through 9. And we'll print them out just to make sure we know what they are. And so we gave x, y, z random values. We have no idea which is greater, so we're going to use comparison to determine that. So let's determine if x is the largest number using the and sign. So I created a Boolean b. I set it equal to this statement. X is greater than or equal to y, and x is greater than z. So this will be true if both those statements are true. Both those statements will be true if x is greater than y and x is greater than equal to z. So we'll print it out. Now let's determine if x is not the smallest number. So here, I set it equal to b. X is greater than or equal to y, or x is greater than or equal to z. Well, that seems like the same statement as we previously set up here, but it's not, because here we used an or. So this is checking if x is at least the middle number, because maybe it's greater than both y and z. Maybe it's only greater than y. Maybe it's only greater than z. So it's determining if this is true, that means x is at least the middle number. It's not the smallest. Let me print it out. Now let's determine what happens first in your order of operations, the and or the or. So here, this first one, we've got true or, and then parentheses. Now we know parentheses always goes first. True and false. And then the or's in the parentheses, and then they're all going at the same time. Sorry, there's no parentheses. So if or goes first, this will be true. This will be false. So this whole statement would be false, because true and false is false. But if and goes first, this will be false, and then true or false is true. So let's figure out which one goes first. All right, so let's run this. So here we go. X is 7, y is 1, z is 3. True, true. As long as x is the largest, so both those are true. True or true and false. This gives us true. Let's walk through that logic. That's got to be false. So true and false is true. That's got to be true. True and false is false. And this results in a true. Let's go through that order. If or goes first, it's like this previous statement. So it gives us false, but it gives us a true. Therefore, and has to go first because those two match up. So the and happens first. Now let's run it one more time so we can find an x that's either last or in the middle. There we go. X is in the middle, so the first one's false, but the second one's true. And there we go. That is the end of this lesson.